Have you ever pondered how some ads seem to resonate with you on a deeper level? How they anticipate your needs and desires, making you more likely to click and engage? Well, the not-so-secret behind this phenomenon lies in the strategic use of compelling ad copy. And guess what? It's easier than ever to create such copy thanks to the advent of powerful AI tools like ChatGPT. Welcome back to our channel, your place for the latest tech tips and tricks. Today we dive into the exciting world of AI-powered ads and explore how you can leverage ChatGPT to generate high-converting ad campaigns that will set you ahead of the competition. To truly appreciate the power of ChatGPT in advertising, let's take a quick journey through the evolution of advertising itself. From the early days of mass media to the rise of digital marketing, one thing has remained constant: the need to grab attention and persuade action. But as technology advances, so too have the tools and techniques at our disposal. Enter ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI tool that promises to transform the way we create and manage our ad campaigns. So how exactly does ChatGPT work its magic in generating high-converting ad copy? To understand that, we need to take a closer look at ChatGPT itself. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing model that can generate human-like text on any given topic. It uses advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques to analyze vast amounts of data and produce coherent, relevant, and engaging responses. Now let's see how you can use ChatGPT to create compelling ad copy that will make your campaigns stand out from the crowd. One of the most important elements of any ad campaign is the headline. It's the first thing that potential customers will see, and it needs to be attention-grabbing. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate unique and engaging ad headlines that will make people stop and take notice. Simply provide the chatbot with some basic information about your business and the products or services you offer, and it will come up with a list of creative and effective headlines that you can use in your ad campaigns. But the headline is only half the battle. You also need to have an equally persuasive ad description that highlights the key benefits of your offering and encourages people to take action. Again, ChatGPT has got you covered. The chatbot can analyze your business and create a compelling ad description that showcases your unique selling points and resonates with your target audience. In addition to generating basic ad copy, ChatGPT can also help you with more advanced targeting and personalization. You can use the chatbot to craft ad copy that is specifically targeted to certain demographics, interests, or behaviors. For example, if you're running an ad campaign for a new weight loss product, you could use ChatGPT to generate copy that is targeted to people who are interested in fitness and nutrition. As we conclude our exploration of ChatGPT, keep in mind that the advertising landscape is constantly evolving, and AI is poised to play an even bigger role in shaping its future. By staying informed, experimenting with new tools, and embracing the power of AI, you can ensure that your advertising campaigns remain effective and drive success in the ever-changing world of digital marketing. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech content. And if you're eager to learn more about the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT, we've got you covered with more videos in our library. So keep exploring and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, happy advertising.